Today, I brought with me a magical box. Do you want to see what's inside? All right, so the first thing, I see lots of colors. What do you think could be in my box? Well, I have purple and yellow and orange and green and blue. Let's take one of them out. A purple string? No, that's not a string. It's very stretchy. Can you tell what it is? It's a balloon. Now, what would we do with a balloon? We could blow it up. So, if you're gonna blow up a balloon, first you wanna give it a nice, good stretch, right? What else would I need? I could use my mouth, but there might be something easier. I wonder if there's something in my magical box. A balloon pump. Well, that'll be perfect. I'm gonna put this to the side over here. Let's see if together you can watch me blow up this balloon. I'm gonna stretch it so it doesn't pop. Maybe 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you take the tip of it and you put it on the very tip of the balloon pump like this. Oh my goodness, silly balloon. Then we're gonna, oh my goodness, it's so heavy and hard. Okay, there we go. Well, that's lovely. So now I need to take this and tie it. So we, oh no! Uh-oh, I lost my balloon. I'm gonna have to try again. Let's see what other color we have in here. I have a pink one. Let's try pink. Let's see if that silly balloon will stay in my hands this time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I thought we could maybe make a doggy today. And I'll show you how we do that. So I'm gonna put the balloon on the pump like this. And then we're gonna blow it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, for a doggy, we're gonna need a little tail. So I'm gonna leave about that much on the very end. And then we have to tie here. We don't want it to fly away like the last one did, do we? Give it a nice little tie there. And then, if the doggy's tail is here, what goes on this side? His little nose and his face? Very good. So I'm gonna make him look kind of like a hot dog. So we'll give him a pretty big snout. How about that? And he also needs some ears, of course. So we'll go 1 and 2. Give it a little twist like that. And now we have a little doggy face. But he's not complete like that, is he? He still needs his neck and his legs. Let's try the neck next. So I'm gonna give a little twist right here. See the little neck? Now we're gonna do 2 legs. So I'm gonna go 1 roll and 2 rolls, and then I'm gonna twist these together. And now he has his nose and his ears, his neck, and his little feet. But he's not quite done yet, is he? Dogs don't only have 2 legs, they have 4. So we're gonna give him a big body up to about there, I think. And then I'm gonna twist again. And 1 and 2. Then we'll twist those together. Doesn't he look lovely? What should we name our doggy? Maybe, what about Susie? Susie the dog, I like that. If you can think of another name, definitely put it in the comment sections below, because I'd love to know what you would name your doggy too. Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching me make a doggy. If you ever get a balloon, you could try it too one day. Just watch the video many times and practice. All right, see you on the next video.